y'all be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks I never would have seen.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright? Now, it's draft day. NFL draft day, and as it's been for the past 25 years, it is Go Panthers. Same thing as always, never changed on that. Just wanted to rep the squad. Rep the squad. I'm not happy with the squad right now. I'm not happy with the squad. Alright? I'm a little disappointed that QB number 1 isn't going to be behind center. Alright? But I have faith in Teddy Bridgewater. Hopefully he brings good things behind center for my squad. Alright? Now, let's get into what we have here today. The shoes that you all came to see, baby. Alright? Now, this shoe comes all the way from Kicks Boutique in Lithuania. Alright? I ordered these early last month, early March. And they actually got delayed in the mail. They got lost a little bit. It was a holdup. But they just got here yesterday. So, let's go ahead and get into these. Boom. Nike SB box. The box took a little bit of damage. They had it wrapped in the plastic wrap, so the box, through all the traveling that it did, it took a little bit of an L, but you know, that happens. That happens when things get lost in the mail. And these are the Nike SB Zoom Blazer Mid Edge. Alright. Colorway is laser blue and watermelon. Size 13 in this one. I've got my correct size in this one. I couldn't get the 13 in that one, but I got it in this one. Alright. Boom. Alright. The retail, I believe the retail for these is $90, maybe $100. It doesn't have it on here because it came from out of the States, but I believe the retail was $100. I have to look it up. But let's go ahead and get into these, man. But of course, you all know how I do it. Right here on Big Ralph TV. Yes, sir. Whew, these are dope. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nike SB Blazer Mid-Edge. Yes, indeed. This is part 2 of this pack. They are from the same pack. There was 3 from this pack. I now have 2 of the 3. I'm not sure if I want to go for the third one. I've been thinking about it, but so here's the first one that I got from this pack. Very dope. Very dope. I still love this one. I still love it. But when I saw these, I said, you got to get those. And Kicks Boutique was selling them for a pretty good price. You know, it wasn't too bad. It was, I think they were $115. So actually, you know what? I think that was actually the retail. I think I got them for retail. So I saw that price. I said, yeah, you got to get those. You got to snatch that 13 up right there. Of course, the tongue has that 2-part tongue. Let me get the paper up out of there. Cool, got the paper out of there. The tongue has that 2-part tongue, just like those. It has the Dunk Low Pro tongue, which is that white. The Dunk Low Pro, that white is the shorter one. And then the yellow on top here, the yellow tongue with the blue, this is that Blazer Mid Edge. tongue. This is that real tongue that's on here. All right, there's a dirty joke there to be had. This is that real. Anyway, and then on the inside, it's that magenta, that watermelon, and that blue on the bottom. The sticker is over. Let me see if I can get that size sticker. Cool, got it. It is that SB, so you can see that Nike SB and Zoom Air on the inside there in blue. On the back, and that watermelon, you got your Nike over the gray, and the same missing stitched swoosh here. Somebody in the previous video for this one actually explained it to me. They said that the swooshes would fall off of the skater's shoes. I believe that's what they said. So this is to represent the missing swoosh from those skaters who lost their swooshes. Which, that's pretty cool, man, that, you know, they would put that detail on. I didn't know. I'm not a skater. But one of my subscribers, I want to say, is he tuned in and he told me about that. So appreciate you for informing me. And then you see on this side, you have your actual pink swoosh, watermelon, magenta, pink, you know, swoosh there, as well as coming on. I love this one, man. I loved it on that one. I love it on this one. How it just comes from the side and it just comes wrapping around there. Boom, man, I love this swoosh on both ones. I think that's a clutch design on this shoe. Then I get into the bottoms, boom, gum bottoms. Gum bottoms. I told y'all this year is bronze and blazers for me, man. Bronze and blazers. You know, there have been a few Jordans to sneak in. But bronze and blazers, man. I really have fallen in love with the Nike Blazer this year. I really love this shoe. I love the model, man. I love this silhouette. And I just wish that I would have known about this shoe prior to this year, because the Blazers aren't new. This is an old silhouette. Like, I wish I would have gotten into Blazers before, man. They're just really dope to me. And they're comfortable. For sure, man. But let's go ahead and get into the right boy. Let's pull out that right boy. Right shoe. Second. All right, on the right boy, the only reason I wanted to bring it out is because they come with the magenta lacing on there, the extra laces. So everything else is exactly the same. You know what I mean? Same build on everything, same tongue. Did I mention that the laces, the normal laces are white? So same gum bottoms, everything is just the same, but they did come with the extra laces on these boys. Alright, so y'all know what we gotta do. Since these two sizes are different, you know what we gotta do. We gotta take these boys, not that one. We gotta take these boys on feet. Alright, here we are on feet. Alright, front view of them. Dang, man. These are sweet, man. That pink swoosh, that magenta. You see that stitching there? Hope you all can see that tongue. The double tongue there. Yes, sir. A little inside view. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. It's a beautiful shoe, man. And for size reference, man, that 13 feels so much better. Boom. Boom. Big toe is right there. Right at the curve of the swoosh. That's where my big toe is. That's perfect for me. That is perfect. That is perfect. Perfect width. I'm talking about perfect fit all around in these in the size 13. So for me, I go down a size for these as I would for my normal shoes. I'm actually a true 13 and a half, but for these I go down and from my normal size 14 to a 13. All right, and that makes these that much more comfortable. But let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Some of that Nike on the back there. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it on this one. Yo, no doubt about it. These get the Bret the Hitman Hart championship belt kiss of approval, because these are just too sweet. All right, no doubt about it, man. I love Blazers, man, and they feel comfortable. They're not a shoe that you have to think about. It's just, hey, where's my Blazers at? Let me go grab them. They're like Chuck Taylors in that sense. They're like Jordan 1s. You know what I mean? Like, you don't gotta think about them. Jordan 1s, Blazers, Chuck Taylors, just grab and go. You don't think about that. You just go. You know what I mean? What do you all think? Should I throw the pink in here, or is that, you think that's too much pink if you throw the pink laces in? It's a lot of pink going around, huh? Maybe I should just keep it with the white laces. I don't know. I'm just kind of thinking about that pink. I was thinking about that on these because they have the, you know, the navy laces. They have the navy laces that come with these. Man, that actually might look decent on this one. I don't know. Think I should keep it stock with the white laces or throw in some pink one? Y'all let me know what you think down in the comments. But that's gonna do it, man. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. More Blazers on the way. And the pesky Jordan has snuck its way in here. But I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.